Good evening, friends. This is Pradeep Sharma from English Learning Studio.
Hello friends, this is Khushbu Galaya from English Learning Studio.
Today we are going to learn past continuous tense. So are you ready to learn? Okay. Past continuous tense is used for three things.
Okay, yeah.
Firstly, it is the ongoing actions that were interrupted.
So, like, sir, interrupted in.
For
which way?
example, I was writing when the telephone rang.
Okay, yeah.
So some process was going on, at the same time something was
That activity
that occurred.
was
Yes,
stopped.
yes.
Yeah.
Or while I was reading, the telephone rang.
Okay.
Got it? So
Yes.
that is the first use of past
Past
continuous.
continuous tense.
Now it is used for second purpose, that is a continuous state or a repeated action in the past.
That means something which we did repeatedly in the past.
Say for example, she was looking very ill.
Okay.
Right? She was looking very ill when I met her.
Or can it be I was reading novel last night?
Yes, that way. I was meeting a lot of people at that time.
Okay.
Okay. Now, third purpose is events planned in the past.
Fine. Yeah.
Okay. Say, for example, Raji was leaving for Chennai but had to make a last minute cancellation.
Okay.
So, the first portion, Raji was leaving for Chennai. At that time, what happened? But had to make a last minute cancellation. So his plan was cancelled. Okay. So these are the three major uses of past continuous. Now the timeline, if you go through it, it says that action going on sometimes back at certain time in the past. Okay. Now friends, I would say that this is frequently used tense.
Okay.
So it is used at many places.
So, sir, can I know the formation?
Yes, we can categorize in positive, negative and question sentences
Okay,
for
sir.
easy understanding of it. So for the positive sentences, the formation would be subject, then you put was or were, and then you add verb into it with ing form, right?
Okay.
And then you can add some other words as well.
Okay, sir.
Now let's take the example, I was working on computer.
Or,
Right.
yeah, can it be like we were listening to the teacher?
That is correct.
Okay.
She was talking to the receptionist.
Okay. So, was is used with singular?
Yes, I
Yes.
was, you were, we were, they were, he was, she was, it was, and the name also takes was.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Now, the structure or the formation of negative sentence would be subject, was or were, and then you add not into it.
Okay, so just not is to be added
That's
with
all.
was were.
That's all.
Okay.
It's pretty simple.
Yes, sir.
Okay, examples could be I was not reading, I was reading a book, I was not reading a book.
Or
Right.
we were playing game, we were not playing
Absolutely
game.
correct. She was watching movie, she was not watching movie. Negative
Okay.
sentence would be she
Yes.
was not watching movie. So we just need to add not.
No.
For making it question, our was and were will come to the front.
So
Yeah?
first place it would be was were
Right.
plus subject
Subject
plus
followed by verb and ing form.
Yeah.
Right? Verb with
Okay.
ing form and other words.
Okay.
And a question mark at the end.
Yes, because it's an interrogative
Yes.
structure. Yeah.
Was I disturbing you?
Or were they learning English?
Correct.
Okay.
Was she watching TV?
Okay.
These are the examples. Okay. Now let us go for the having types of verbs because there are no status verb in it. Okay, now having verbs,
Means, can we say possessive verbs?
possessive verbs. Okay,
Yeah.
now formation is subject, then was or were, then having,
Okay,
plus other words.
fine. So ing is added with have.
Have.
Okay, yeah.
I was having a laptop last year.
Okay. Or she was having a nice watch.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Or we were having holidays.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Now, so for negative,
For negative, it's very simple again. You have to just add not to it.
Okay. So subject plus
Subject plus was
Was
or were,
were.
then not plus having, and then other words.
Okay, so not is to be added between was
Correct,
were
correct.
and having.
Correct.
Okay.
Like I was not having a lecture today.
Or she was not having a nice watch. She was
True.
having a nice watch and she
Correct.
was not having.
We were not having our notebook today.
Okay.
So this is the example. Now making it questions, you have to just again restructure it by putting was and were in the front. Were you having morning school?
Okay. Or
The
were you-
formation is was and were, subject, having,
plus other
plus
words.
other words.
Okay. Or was Rajiv having a cell phone?
Right. So these are the sentences. So friends, you need to rehearse, and for more detail visit our website www.englishlearningstudio.com, and you will find a lot of resources out there. So you need to go through the resources, listen to the videos. If you join, you have to definitely be interactive with the faculties because you cannot learn English without interaction. Thank you very much in this episode.